In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to GitHub in 2025. This full tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth integration between these two powerful tools. Whether you're managing projects on Trello or collaborating with your team on GitHub, this connection will help streamline your workflow and keep everything in sync. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your Trello board. It's important to ensure that the board you choose is the one where you want the GitHub integration to be active. Once you're on your board, you'll notice a menu on your right hand side. Look for the option called Power-Ups and give it a click. Power-Ups in Trello are additional features that can enhance your boards, and today we'll be using one to connect with GitHub. Once you've clicked on Power-Ups, the next step is to select Add Power-Ups. This will bring up a list of available power-ups that Trello offers. In the search bar at the top, type in GitHub. You'll see the GitHub power-up appear in the list. Go ahead and click on it and then click Add to install it on your board. This addition will enable seamless collaboration between Trello and GitHub. Now that you've added the GitHub power-up, it's time to configure it. Click on the Settings button for the GitHub power-up. Here you'll see an option to authorize account. This is a crucial step that grants Trello the permissions it needs to access your GitHub repository. When prompted, simply log in with your GitHub credentials and allow the connection. After authorizing your account, the next step you'll see is link your GitHub account. Clicking this will formally establish the connection between Trello and your GitHub account, allowing you to link specific GitHub issues or pull requests to your Trello cards. Once this process is complete, you can go ahead and close the menu. Your GitHub account is now linked to Trello, and it's time to put this new integration to use. Click on a card within your board where you want to add a GitHub connection. You'll see a GitHub option right on the card. Click on it and you can then select or link related issues or pull requests directly to your Trello card. And that's it, you're now connected. This integration will help maintain better organization and improve communication across your project management and development team activities. By following these steps, you've successfully maximized productivity between your Trello and GitHub accounts. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and don't forget to check out other videos for more helpful tips and tech tricks.